So I got done with my first car of the day. The red Benz behind you. So now it's on to my next job, my second job, white Mustang over there. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull the car in and get started. Y'all stay tuned.
Me, myself, and I. Let's keep it 1,000, man. You niggas living a lie. Middleman trying to play the plug and making no profit. I'm calling your bluff, niggas. Stop it.
What it do, gang? You already know it's your boy DipGodBo, and I'm back with another banger. On today's episode, as you can see behind me, I got a car in my shop that's ready to get sprayed. He wanted to go with the NARDO GREY paint, gloss black rims, yellow calipers like the Audi that's previously on my channel. Great combination. I'm not gonna waste no time. I'm gonna get right into it. I just need y'all to smash that subscribe button, smash that like button. Make sure you drop a comment in this video letting me know how y'all think this is gonna turn out. Or you can wait until the end like you're supposed to and drop a comment at the end of the video letting me know how you think or how you feel it turned out. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Stay tuned.
So smooth, fire flame, yeah. Social fire flame, yeah. Go dummy,
Stop all that capping, these niggas be flagging. Can't join the bandwagon, my swag is outlandish. I worked her like badly, she call me Big Daddy. You a small fry, rallies. I pull up, I start a pep rally. I gotta go get it, that's word to my family. Shout out my team Y&B, that's the faculty. When it's all said and done, there is no after me. Hey, I'm way too juiced up, the devil can't tackle me. Hey, roll down the window and empty the magazine. All of the demons don't want beef, they vegan. Believe every word, I swear that I mean it. I'm blessed like a bit, I feel like a deacon. The truth is everywhere, you gotta seek it. Yeah, I'm wide awake, I just need the cake. Smoke big blunts to the face. Yeah, I'm wide awake. Yeah, I'm wide awake. Yeah, I'm wide awake. Yeah, I'm wide awake. Third eye open, chakra golden, money folding, your hoe going, keep a Trojan, gold rappers only, yeah, gold rappers only, on my lonely, smoking OG, I don't know you, but you claim you know me, still a sauce, but you cannot clone me, diamonds, roly-poly, Oli, yeah, all these bitches want some big
So the time now was about 7 o'clock, or no, I'm sorry, 8 o'clock. I just finished with the rims, and when I tell you they are glossy, y'all look at this. Look at the gloss on that, man. Come on. Come on, man. Sheesh. Ooh, they still drying. I just bought a new light today. Shout out that light. It is bright as hell. Oh! But I took the tail lights out, license plates off. I took the antenna off the car and this antenna. Of course, the calipers are painted yellow, which is awesome. Yellow calipers. About to start masking off the convertible top. Buddy said he wanted to do the door jams. I've never done the door jams before, so this will be a first. I'm gonna try to get it as clean as possible, I want to say. But there's gonna be a lot of masking, so I'm gonna go well into the night. And of course, I have to be here early in the morning to get everything situated. But so far, this is what I've done. Oh yeah, I took the everything's out. Sorry, the wrap can get underneath it and there's a lift. Give me about like 3 or 4 more hours. This car's gonna look completely different. Like, I can't wait. And on top of that, Buddy just said that he actually just got the car. Once again, straight from the dealership, straight to the dip. God, of course, make sure y'all watching to the end of this video. It is nowhere close to being done. Bear with me, but the end result will be ridiculous. On that note, let me go ahead and get this thing done, man. Sweet.
Smoke one.
It's NBM in this motherfucker. No pressure, no diamonds. Look, I'm in my hometown where all the niggas hate cause they bitches go down on a nigga. PG came through to break this pound with a nigga. Had the town hot with this pot while we $1 million plot, never gave a fuck. I take all the chances cause the one you probably miss is probably the answer. Niggas always talking about they rappers, huh? Really they rappers to this package that I trap for fun. This pussy they callin', but all I can focus on is money that is coming to my wallet. Stressed at the bar, drinking $2 you call it. Thinking should've listened to my mama, went to college, but it's all good. Cause fear don't exist, they instill it in us. They try and cut them out, but God's still in us. With that simple fact, I'ma make it here to hate, but promise it'll never change it. Born #1, that's what I remain. Like I paid for the street, stayed in my lane. Looking at the same pic, got a different frame though. Mine's gold and dusty, cause mine's old. I've been in that station, promise never told. I say fuck the police with a stripper pole. They ain't here to help a nigga, homie, never fold. Human like me, but God writes the bust down my door. Where they do that at? Where they do that at? My bitch in love with my new strap. That don't chop but never take, cause I put it in they face. Sit back, got money to make. I sit back, got money to make. Sit back, got money to make. I sit back, got money to make. Sit back, got money to make. Where they do that at? My bitch in love with my new strap. That don't chop but never take, cause I put it in their face. Sit back, got money to make. I sit back, got money to make. Sit back, got money to make. I sit back, got money to make. Sit back, got money to make.
I'm just a young player trying to get paid. Who that? Somebody knocking at my window. Forever chasing green like my first name CeeLo. She know, he know. Life is the Olympics, I'm coming to snatch gold like my name Debo. Even if your grandma gave it to ya, I see through ya. Because I see nothing but cash. Niggas tone change when you show them the strap. Swimming in fire, what a hell of a life. Living in the world somebody paid with his life. Looking for the nigga who made the rules in it.
So it's about that time. It's late. So let's get started.
In it, entertain the lies, ignore the truth in it. Nah, no prescription, I'm smoking on medicine. I am stronger than heroin. You would think that my mind is a graveyard, cause all I think about is dead presidents. Champagne when I'm thirsty. It's a lost nigga if it ain't first place. Ho tell me that I'm different like I wear 2 chains and want a big booty hoe for my birthday. I did things that I never would've did if the things that I did didn't have to be done. If you're looking for a sucker, I'm sorry, I'm not him. Respect, I get paid in full like Rakim. I tell him, speak up when you talking to me. Nah, little nigga, you ain't talking to me. I know damn well you ain't talking to me, cause I only talk paper and you talking for free.
Where they do that at? My bitch in love with my new strap. That don't chop but never take, cause I put it in their face. Sit back, got money to make. I sit back, got money to make. Sit back, got money to make. I sit back, got money to make. Sit back, got money to make. Where they do that at? My bitch in love with my new strap. That don't chop but never take, cause I put it in their face. Sit back, got money to make. I sit back, got money to make. Sit back, got money to make. I sit back, got money to make. Sit back, got money to make. I sit back, got money to make. Sit back, got money to make. I sit back, got money to make. Sit back, got money to make.
So the final coat just went down on the car, man. It is 2:30 in the morning. I started my day at 8 o'clock. I'm just on getting done. I'm gonna be right back in the shop tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. just to make sure everything is good for the customer to pick up the car tomorrow. I'm gonna do a quick walk around of the vehicle to show you exactly how this NARDO GREY came out, man. Look, this is one of the best colors that I've seen on the vehicle in a long time. No wonder everybody's always saying me about this NARDO GREY, but let's do a quick walk around and show you exactly why it's in such high demand. This is only part 1 though. You know what I'm saying? I'm hitting with this one. Waiting for Christmas. I don't feel that somebody gonna die tonight. What it do, gang? I am back, day 2. I'm letting the car completely dry. I just went over with one coat just to make sure everything is smooth and even. I do have the rims already outside baking in the sun. Yeah, everything's glossy. Of course, I'm painting the parts that I was able to get off the car. The customer did request to be black. The customer's slated time is about 12 o'clock today. The time is now 8:40. Looks pretty good. So I had to go over some small minor things. I got to do the tail lights. In the front of the car. I got my work cut out for me. I'm gonna go ahead and jump right into it, of course. If you aren't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you like this video or so far what you've seen, smash that like button. And of course, drop a comment at the end of this video, letting me know how you guys feel this car turned out. I think as of right now, it's looking marvelous, but shit, let's stay tuned.
Smoking on gas, I'm raving. Nigga, I'ma go and I'ma get mines. No recess, ain't playing. I'ma go and get mine. Nigga, I'ma get mines. I'ma go and get mine. Nigga, I'ma get mines. These niggas plotting. I'ma stay with mines. These niggas plotting. I'ma stay with mines. Yeah, I gotta get my knee rent paid. Niggas talk shit, leave them shit face. Pussy niggas always saying like it's they job. Niggas take a sick day. Plan on me is your worst plan ever. Try to take mine, I'm doing one better. Kill that nigga, then bury that nigga. That's a body on my gun and a body on my shovel. Lord have mercy, mercy on my soul.
So after 2 days of work, about 14 hours dedicated into this paint job, I got the rims done, the calipers done, and of course I got the entire car done in a NARDO gray. I'm gonna do a quick walk around the vehicle so you can see exactly the finished product. And Lord, it was a long process.
I'm just playing defense, I can't let them score. Roll me a blunt so I don't think about it and I don't go hairless. Kush put a young nigga head in the stars like a cowboy's helmet. I got the juice like a cup holder. I'm hot-headed but got cold shoulders. I don't say much but I think too much. I don't drink much, smoke more than enough. I don't kick much, niggas bitch too much. And some of these bitches be trying to set you up. Roll around with it, gotta roll around with it. Can't trust these niggas, can't trust these bitches. Roll around with the 380. None of my bitches be basic. Top I got to come with a narrow. If it ain't money, just save it. Mashing on the gas like potatoes. Smoking on gas, I'm raving. Nigga, I'ma go and I'ma get mines. No recess, ain't playing. I'ma go and get mine. Nigga, I'ma get mines. I'ma go and get mine. Nigga, I'ma get mines. These niggas plotting. I'ma stay with mines. These niggas plotting. I'ma stay with mines. Roll around.
Saying? Fuck my finger up trying to put that. So business is booming. You see the Mustang is over there, and I got the Audi that I will be doing the rims and the calipers for on the next episode. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you smash the like button. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I gotta say it again, because a lot of y'all are watching my videos and y'all not subscribed. Like, what is the issue? Smash that subscribe button before I come through this camera. Oh! But on the next episode, make sure you stay tuned. This green Audi will be featured on the next episode. I'm waiting for the customer to come pick up his Mustang. I can't wait to see his reaction. Like it, dog?
Yeah, that's nice. It's nice. Ooh, shit. I like it.
Yes, sir.
That's what I wanted. I appreciate it.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
And
it's time to show off.
And I did the door jams as well. Oh shit. I tried my best, bro. You know what I'm saying?
That's good. What you talking about?
Yeah, I tried my best, bro. So it's just, it was hard, bro.
I know it was.
It was hard, bro. You know what I'm saying?
I
Yeah.
ain't mad.
Yeah.
I like it.
Yeah. It definitely came out. If I did the black, I would have been like, damn, I gotta do all
That's
this.
why I had the question. I was like, let me see what he wants. Let me see what he can do.
Yeah, nah, straight up, dog. I'm definitely adding that to the menu, bro. Yeah, I'm taxing for that, because that shit, I had to wait the next. I literally did that. So I did that last night, but bro, for me to even mask it off, it took me about like 5 hours, bro. So
for both sides?
Both sides. It took me about, well, I mean, probably like an hour on each side. But the whole car to mask it off, usually it would take me about 3 hours. But it took me about like 5, bro. Just go to the door jams, bro. And I ain't never did it, you know what I'm saying? But I appreciate you even letting me try.
Yeah, that's why I said you might as well.
Yeah.
Hey.
It's peelable, so shit.
Yeah. Will it stay on if it rains and stuff?
Yeah, no, this shit ain't going nowhere, bro. But if you try to pull it right now, bro, you gonna have to pull it with force. So if you come out your car is a different color or it's white, somebody was hating, bro. You know what I'm saying? That shit ain't going nowhere, bro.
Yeah, I'm happy in this part.
Yo, for real.
And then, what you talking? Time to get the exhaust on.
Yeah. You good though? Say that bread real quick, bro. You know what I'm saying?
What you mean? It's time to spend the
Oh yeah,
bread.
yeah, you right. I mean, if anything, bro, you gotta do a muffler delete. That's gonna be your best option.
Yeah. I appreciate it.
Yeah, and also I know you wanted the horse in here black.
Yeah. It was hard.
Yeah, it was hard, bro. You know what I'm saying? But I know this black piece here was like discoloring. So I was just like, fuck, I gotta just paint over it.
Yeah. So it was like it was ashing up.
Yeah. No, so that shit covered up.
Oh my god! When I seen it, the Uber dropped me. I'm like, man, that's mine. He said, oh my god. I'm like, hell yeah! Oh my god.
Yeah, babe.
Oh man, I'm ready. I'm finna slide. You feel me?
All right. Yeah.
Have a nice day, man.
All right, bro. Let me know if you have any issues, bro. You got my phone number, bro.
I got you.
All right.
They say.
All right, G. And there you have it. Customer said it all. He loved the car. Of course, if you want that done to your car, jump in my DMs on Instagram at DipGodBo. Of course, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I know I said it a million times, but I need y'all to subscribe so I can start getting monetized off this YouTube. On that note, swipe.
In my eyes as a youngin', I was fooled into living the American dream, and I took my ass to school. I never finished cause they drug tested for every job, and I refused to be some bait to them crackers holding that fishing rod.